Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this week's Trade Along Tuesday. This update, folks, we're going to hit a candidate that we have not done yet, but probably one of my favorite vehicles of all to trade. We'll get to that one in just a moment. Let's go ahead and the upcoming events we have this week. We've got online on December 12th is Monster Market Movers. Keep in mind, folks, every single week at noon, 12 to 1 Eastern, I do a free workshop called Power Hour. Go ahead onto the website. The Wealth Builders HQ, go ahead into the members area and you'll see the banner at the top and just click on that banner and it'll get you to enroll. We do our Trader Talk every Monday and we've got a couple of on-demand workshops available as well also. If you want to follow us besides what we do here on YouTube, then go ahead and follow us on some of the social media vehicles. And we're going to look at the SPY, the spiders. I really do like the pattern, the position, the place that it's at right now. So let's go ahead and just jump right at it. So I want to zoom in as much as I can and keep everything on the screen that's possible. I'll take the horizontal and vertical lines off there for the crosshairs. So guys, what's happened? We had a wonderful move up for our fib, good pullback to the 236, reversal back up, played very nicely on the zero line, and then it broke out, and it's just kind of vacillated back and forth. And look what happened. On Friday, we closed just below the 8 EMA. Today, we closed just above the 8 EMA. So what are we looking for now? Well, we're looking for a continuation up. If we get a continuation in the morning on Tuesday, the 21st, I guess it is, not 20th, today is the 20th. On Tuesday the 21st, if we get the continuation higher, we're looking to enter into 10 contracts. Now, I say 10. For you, it could be 1. But my system works best if you're using at least 4, but 1 will work, and you'll just take the first exit. And here's what I mean by that: if you take a trade of 10 contracts, or 30 or 80, it doesn't matter. You're going to exit. It says 4x. It's 40% of your trade. So if it's 10 contracts, it's 4 at the 259.64. And I don't mean right at it. I mean just below. Okay, because that's resistance. You don't get out at resistance. You get out just below resistance. Then you're going to go ahead and take out your next 3 contracts just below 261.77. And if you're fortunate enough that it continues higher, you'll take out the next 2 at 263.50, which will leave you with 1 contract, and you'll manage that 1 contract. It's very faint. You can't see it around the 8 right now, but you see back here in the September area, this dash dot line, or dash line, this very small, faint line, that's a 5 EMA. You'll see it up here in blue. I use that for my last contract for managing it. My stop, guys, is going to be somewhere down below the 257.51 level, possibly down below the 257.29 because that's where my 21 is. So we might get a quick bounce off of there. Right now we just need to look at what option we're going to consider. So I'm going out to the December 22nd. I want you to be careful about something here. There's a December 20th option available, right? Let's see. There is some open interest, not a whole lot. I don't know why we have an option. It says it's a weekly, but I'm guessing there's some confusion on TradeStation's part. But if it's a weekly, why does it expire on a Wednesday? Right? This may be a quarterly or something. I don't know. But I'm not interested in the ones for the 29th. With 29 days, I'm interested in the one for December 22nd, which is a Friday's expiration. You're going to get more activity, more interest on that day. You could see tons of open interest. Let's go find a delta of about 65. I'd rather not go to the 64. I would prefer to push up to 67. There's not a whole lot of difference in cost in there. If we look at our midpoint, it's not that much of a difference for the $1 strike, the 50-cent strike. It's a half strike there. So we get up into that 68 delta. We're looking at about 317 as our investment into that trade. Tons of open interest, 1,321. And what I do like is we're going to pay 320 for it, and it has a fair value of 318. All right, so we're really on top of that number, and keeping in mind that it's 313 by 320, the market is closed, right? And that's why we're getting that little bit of a bigger spread. You'll see that tighten up a little bit in the morning. So guys, I'm a big fan of SPY. Love trading it. Trade it all the time. I think it's a great vehicle for anybody to have an interest in. Guys, if you just want to try to day trade this, go after this week's option instead. But there's your plan. There's a trading plan. Move your stops up along the way, guys. As you get out of your first exit, move your trailing stop up, or your just your hard stop up, but move it up so you're not letting it come all the way back down below where you started before getting out of that trade. All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Hope this helps. Have a wonderful day. Hey, folks, have a great Thanksgiving. God bless, and I'll see you all at our next Trade Along Tuesday. Make sure, guys, you if you like it, give it a thumbs up on the video. Put some comments down below. Share the video with your friends. I would greatly appreciate it. Take care, folks. See you all soon. Bye now.